Hello everyone and welcome to BRODAIndexTool. In this video I will show you how easy it is to use the BRODAIndexTool. Let's start from the introduction. BRODAIndexTool is a unique calculator that allows you to identify potential turning points on a chart and indicate their time in the future. And this is great news for you. In this video I will focus on the technical aspect of how to use it. And in another video I will give you more points where the advantages are. Let's go to the trading platform. And I will go to the most popular one, which means MT4. And the example will be based on GBPJPY. Time frame is H1, and date 21 of September 2020. Start time is 9 AM. So first of all you have to find two starting points. First one we will call point A and the second one we call point 0. And the most important and the most difficult thing is to identify these points. If they are good, the next points will also work for you. We start by drawing the first line. This is the easiest way to calculate the number of candles between 2 points. By changing the position of the end of the line, you can see the distance. Here, the distance of point A from point 0 is 7. We enter this number into the BRODAIndexTool calculator. Then we draw the second line. We set its beginning at point 0. The end, however, should indicate an important point on the chart. It should be high or low. Okay, that's the first point. We denote this point as the letter B. The distance between point 0 and point B is 11 candles. We enter this number into the calculator. And now magic happens, the calculator calculates for us point C, which is in the future. The calculator determines when exactly a turning point or significant for the market should be. Point C is 22 candles from point 0. Let's check it out. It is indeed the top of the chart. It is worth confirming more points to say that our key points A and 0 are well defined. Let's set point B on this candle with a long bottom shadow. It is at 18 intervals from point 0. Base this value into a calculator. Point C was calculated at 31.59. Mathematically, we can round to 32. Although in such situations we can also consider candle 31. Let us check 32. Point C is very good. Now let's take it as point B. Substitute 32 into the calculator. Point C is the 51st candle. And it is correct. The whole process can be continued and supported in decisions. However, at some point we will see that there is a desynchronization and the points C are no longer significant points for the plot. This means that the setup is exhausted and we need to look for new points. Well, thank you for watching this video and see the next one.